My name is Sacajawea, and it means bird woman. I'm in the tribe of Elaina Shoshones, born in 1788 near Tendoy, Idaho, between Kinney Creek and Agency Creek. In 1800, a group of Minot-Tree Indians attacked our tribe and took many of the Indians captive. Later, one other and I were sold to a Toussaint Charbonneau, a French-Canadian fur trader. I later had to become his wife. I given birth to my son Jean just 2 months before going to the expedition. Shortly after his birth, he was strapped onto a cradle and strapped onto my back. Lewis and Clark arrived here at Fort Mandan on October 26, 1804. Charbonneau was then hired as an interpreter, and the other members of the party include Privates Joseph, Robert, and George. The sergeants were Charles, Patrick, and John. I am now becoming very sick from a septic shock, and I am believed to have a vernal disease. Lewis gave me the extra sleep and medicine I needed, so now I'm showing signs of improvement. I am needed to talk to a group of Shoshone Indians to gain the extra horses we need for the expedition. During a flash flood, Charbonneau, Clark, Jean, and I nearly drowned, and I only had enough time to grab Jean out of his cradle before he was swept away with his clothes. Clark then directed us back to camp so Jean and I could get warm and dry clothes. On August 14, 1805, Charbonneau got a severe reprimand from Clark because he had beaten me. On August 17, 1805, we had the first meeting of my tribe. They allowed us to use extra horses that they had for our trip. My wish came true when my dreams of being one of the first to see the coastlines we had explored came true. In spring 1805, our trip had ended, and I had survived through a fatal illness and near drowning, beatings from my husband, the hard work and hardships that come with the trip. Jean was left in Clark's care in 1809.